Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to fix TikTok profile view option is not showing. So first of all you need to open up TikTok on your Android and iOS device, and then you need to tap on the profile option at the bottom right here. And now if you don't see this option at the top right here, maybe it is turned off. Okay, so just tap on the three lines, go to settings and privacy, then go to privacy and scroll down and you will see profile views, and this should be turned off like this. So you just have to turn this on like this, and that's it. And if you don't see this profile views option in this privacy option, then maybe you need to update your TikTok application. So just go to the Play Store or Apple App Store and update your TikTok application. And if you still don't see this, so just go here and tap on report a problem, and then wait for it. And then what you're gonna have to do basically, tap anything from here like account and profile, and I will just show you. And login, tap on login and recover your account, and we will just actually submit a report. Okay, and TikTok username, basically no, we will not go here. You can just go to the lives option here. Basically we just have to like report a problem here. Okay, go live is suspended, and then wait for it, and then tap on no here, and then need more help. And then here you can basically write a whole issue to your TikTok. Okay, so just write here and tell TikTok that the profile view option is not showing in the settings. Okay, so the TikTok team will actually get back to you in 1 to 3 days and they will fix your problem. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.